What's going on, boys and girls? We're going to do a nice fish recipe. It's Saturday afternoon, and we always have fish on Saturdays, and so we're going to do a nice fish recipe today. This is just something I'm throwing together. There's nothing special to it, but it's just going to be a grouper surprise. So y'all just watch it and learn something. Alrighty. We got our 2 pieces of grouper right there. We got some bell pepper, some onions. They're already chopped up. We got some zucchini. Those are the zucchini I got this week. So you're probably going to be seeing a lot of zucchini recipes. I got those sliced up real thinly here. We're going to use some Italian seasoning, some salt, some cayenne pepper, a little bit of mustard, some minced garlic, a little bit of lemon juice, some hot sauce, a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. And we're going to use some of the oil, the organic safflower oil, coconut and safflower oil to saute the fish. This little seasoning here is a seasoning mix. It's got paprika and salt and pepper and onion and garlic as well. We're going to use that to fix the fish. And we've got some pre-made rice. It's about 2 cups of rice here. So this is just going to be something thrown together. All right, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to kind of take a little bit of cooking spray and get both sides of the fish kind of coated a little bit with this. And then we're going to take some of our seasoning here and put this seasoning all over our fish. And we're going to pre-cook our fish first. And we're just going to make it taste real good here, guys. This is going to be a really surprising dish. I've never done it before, but I know what I like and I know what my wife likes, so I know she's going to like it. So we're going to cook the fish first. All right, we're going to go 3 minutes per side on the grouper. Now, for this recipe, you need a tough fish, not like a tough tasting fish, but a fish that doesn't fall apart real easily. So we're going to cook that again 3 minutes on each side. You can use grouper, you could probably use mahi-mahi, you could use Chilean sea bass, but you wouldn't want to use something that falls apart when you cook it. All right, after about 3 minutes, go ahead and flip it over here. And give it another 3 minutes. All right, after about 3 minutes, we're just going to push this over to the side here and let it cool. And then we're going to put in our vegetables. And you can use the same oil, guys. And the reason why is you're going to be using it anyway. We're going to add a little bit more oil in there. You're going to use this to saute your vegetables here. So you can use the same stuff. So don't be thinking you have to throw that out. So we're going to put our vegetables in here. Get them a light saute for about 5 minutes or so. And to speed up the process a little bit, you may even want to put a lid up there. All right, after about 5 minutes or so, just going to saute those, get these nice and soft here. We want them a little bit softer than this, but what we can do is go ahead and add in some of our seasonings here. So we're going to add just about maybe a couple of tablespoons of the Worcestershire sauce. We're going to add a couple of tablespoons of the hot sauce. Just a little bit of our lemon juice. About a tablespoon of our lemon juice. Shake it up a little bit. Tablespoon there. Go ahead and put about a heaping tablespoon of garlic in there. We're also going to put some of our mustard in there. And we're going to put about a tablespoon in there. 3 teaspoons is 1 tablespoon. All right, give that a little stir. I'll let that saute a little bit. Add some salt to it, y'all. Just a few sprinkles. We can always add more. Add some Italian spices to it as well. Italian seasoning. Put that on liberally. And lastly, a little bit of cayenne pepper. That was probably about 1/4 of a teaspoonful. And again, throw a lid up there. Let that cook for about another 3 minutes. All right, in the meantime, while the vegetables are sauteing, we're going to just take our fish here. Now, sometimes this grouper, you got to be careful. Sometimes it'll have bones in it. So, see, it's already cooked all the way through, y'all. See, that looks good, too. And you could eat this just like it is, you know. So that's cooked. Just break it off into chunks. Just look out for bones. Some of this has got some fat in it. Now some of that, now that part right there is not quite done, but you're going to be putting this back in with the vegetables, which we can do that here shortly. All righty, that's been about 3 minutes there. Check it out here. Oh, it smells delicious. Go ahead and add your fish back in. Give it a mix around here. And I don't know what you would call this dish, a goulash or what. I don't know what you would call it. We're just going to call it a grouper surprise. Okay, we're going to let that cook for about 2 minutes. Alrighty, let's remove that lid there, y'all. And the last thing you want to do is to add your rice in there. Now, you could put the rice on top of it. You don't have to necessarily put it in there, but we're going to put the rice in here. And again, this is pre-cooked rice, y'all. Ah, doggone phone would ring here. Let me grab the phone. All right, that's all we recording. Yeah, go back here. Just mix everything in here thoroughly. And there you have it, guys. We're going to give this a little taste. Give this a little taste, see what it tastes like. Blow it off. That's good. Oh God, that's real good. That cayenne pepper in there is kicking butt. Man, that's good. And y'all, this is just a made up dish right here. It is just made up. That's a good meal. Me and my wife can probably not eat all of this. So it's probably going to be several meals. So try it out. See if you like it. Y'all have a great Saturday. Peace.